In this video, I'll detail how to turn off theater mode on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and while in cinema, you just turn on the theater mode, then here you want to learn how you can disable the theater mode you turn on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you're done on this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To know that you turned on theater mode on your Apple Watch, you see these two masks here on your Apple Watch. If you click on it, like this, it's going to show you your Apple Watch control center. Then click on the notifications again. Then you should see what you are connected to. You can see cinema mode is on. The cinema mode is the same thing as theater mode on your Apple Watch. It's turned on, and my Apple Watch is connected to my iPhone. Now, if you want to turn off or disable theater mode on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is come down here, locate the side button beneath the digital crown, click on it once. Once you click on it, this is going to take you to your Apple Watch control center. On the control center, use the digital crown to scroll down until you get to where you see the two masks. So these two masks stands for theater mode on your Apple Watch. Then just tap it once. Once you tap it, you see cinema mode off. That implies the theater mode is now disabled or turned off on your Apple Watch. Then you can exit the control center by pressing the side button once again, or press the digital crown to go back to the watch face on your Apple Watch. So this is how you can easily turn off theater mode on Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.